Listen. Stop. Come here. Listen to Mommy. No more. No more. Stop. Maybe he just doesn't want Diego on his back. He's never acted like that. So weird. Okay. All right, no more. Look at the bird over there. You see that bird? What's that? The little birdies? Did you see him? And the squirrels over here?
Yeah.
Do you want to come right up here?
See that birdie being eaten?
I can't believe you still have that like that. It's so funny. Where's Sandy? Hey, look over there. Look at the puppy. Come here. Come here. Look over that way. That way. He's being so silly. So what's new in the neighborhood? Where's your toy, honey? Keep looking. You might find one in there, okay? Where? Is it over there? Look, here it is. Here. So it skunked again.
I've never seen a dog do that before.
You're a messy child, I tell you. Look at his face. Turn around. Look at his face. Go see your sister. Oh, it flew off. Here it is.
Look at that one.
Get the toy.
Harry.
Where's the toy? There's supposed to be a toy in there for you. He's very playful today, now that he's finally calmed down. Where's the toy? Oh, you're a big, strong boy, I tell you. He's got the bulls by the horns. Oh, he's so crazy. What's that? Harry, where's the toy, honey? He likes getting his picture taken, I think. It's a hot dog. Don't put this thing on my back anymore. Where's your bullhorn?
Harry,
He likes the Velcro sound.
you're going to tear that thing apart. Then what are you going to do? How old is he now?
I think he's
You
going to
said
be
about
9.
8?
Yeah.
Usually by that age they've quieted down.
He's a very playful kind of guy.
It's real hyper at night.
Yeah.
I'm surprised he's doing it now.
I know. He never does this kind of stuff. I think he's showing off for the camera. What are you doing? You're going to hurt Diego, boy. Stop stepping on Diego. You're going to get a pow pow. Look here. Where's Dad? Is Dad coming? Did you see the bird over there? You see the squirrel over there? He hates squirrels. Not in here. Look at the bird over there. See that bird?